one more time. At this point, this is when you need to be voting for your top 6. You need to be on the front side of your ballot. Make sure you are in numbers 1 through 8. Okay, we'll be in numbers 1 through 8. All right, we're going to run back through them one more time. We have candidate number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. And number 8. Okay, remember, you should be voting for a total of 6.